Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I tried to launch the chapter 2 on season 8 Fortnite in my new Windows 10 PC, but unfortunately it shows the one error notification, unable to log into Fortnite servers, please try again later. So how to fix this issue? So if you get this message, first of all force close this Fortnite from your task manager. And then it shows the Epic Games launcher window. So here you can go to settings, and if this launcher asks for any update process, just do it, and it starts to installing the updates, so you can wait for the few seconds. So once you've done these processes, in next time you can open that same settings menu and scroll down. So here you can press this Fortnite arrow mark and then select additional command line arguments, and then type this command and close this Epic launcher. So next you can open your Windows Run and then execute this command, and this is called Internet Properties window. So here you can go to Connections tab and then click to open LAN settings. So if you use any proxy settings, just disable it and always enable this option, automatically detect settings, and then click to save these changes. So finally one time disable your network adapter for a few seconds. And after the few seconds just enable it and close all the windows. So now one more time I try to access this Epic Games launcher. So finally I try to play this Fortnite because I check it if this trick works or not. But friends, now this time you can see it opening very smoothly and it does not show the previously occurred error message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.